my god, guys, it feels like it's been forever since I've posted a video. Actually, it's only been a few days, but let's not get into that. Today we are doing a DIY cottagecore fairy goddess type of video, DIY project. So I just want to show you guys like kind of my inspiration. I really wanted to do a whimsical cottagecore type of mirror. I've seen a lot on Pinterest and on my TikTok and Instagram reels and all that stuff. So I wanted to give it a try. Just something fun to like kind of like lose myself in. So before we get started, we definitely need to go shopping. So let's get into the supplies. Okay guys, so I'm in the section where the moss would be. I'm not sure. I feel like I should just get the big bag. I kind of like that one. I want this one. I think this is the right one right here. Guys, I don't know why I was feeling self-conscious about my hair in this frame, but I honestly think I look kind of cute. So right now I'm trying to figure out which wall I want it on. I don't know if I want it in front of my bed, but I also like by my closet, but I was like, I kind of want to stare at myself sometimes in the morning. So I got this mirror from Amazon. It's super cute, very vintage looking. First, we're gonna get into the command strips and try to hang it up. So I did decide to put it like in front of my bed, and I'm just trying to get an idea of how high I want it. Like, do I want to see my face, full body? And yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm super proud. It's super cute, and I made sure I got the heavy duty command strip so it doesn't fall down. And here I am just gracefully looking at myself like a lost princess waiting on her prince, you know. It's giving. So let's get into the supplies. You're gonna need sunflowers, a lot of different color moss, butterflies, little insects. I got mushrooms too. These are snails, different colors. And then I got some fairy lights. I have a lot of these. A glue gun and glue sticks, of course. First up, we're going to clean off this mirror, get all the crusties off, dust. And then I am just going to make sure everything's in piles and separated so it's easy. And I'm just going to start off first with gluing down the moss. And I'm just starting on the outer layers first, like the starting edge of the mirror. And before I got started, I decided I wanted to clip some of the mushrooms so it doesn't just to speed up the process. So I'm cutting the tips off, and then now I'm gluing down the moss. And honestly, this is like super fun and therapeutic, and it wasn't too complicated. I thought it was going to be complicated and messy. It's not messy at all. This was easy to clean up. I'm just slowly building it up. I do wish like this was a bigger mirror because I like had a lot left over afterwards. But yeah, I was like as soon as I put the moss on, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. And as you guys can see, I'm slowly building out of the mirror frame, and I'm kind of going towards like outside of it, like in the, I don't even know how to describe it. Like, I don't want to say holders. Like, I started putting it like, I don't know how to explain it. I just started like looping it outside of it. And now I'm building it up, adding dimension by adding a lighter color moss. Now, you don't have to do this. You can do just one color, but I feel like it just brings it more together and it looks more whimsical and cottagecore when you have like different textures and types. As you can see, I started adding like really, really light ones. I just feel like it just brings it together. I'm slowly putting on the mushrooms, and I'm just like nestling it down into the moss. And honestly, it's been like years since I've used a glue gun, so I was like scared I was gonna burn myself or it was gonna get messy. It did get messy here and there, but other than that, it was super easy, didn't burn myself. And this only took me like 20 minutes on this whole project. Now I'm just adding some sunflowers. I wish I had like smaller ones. And guys, I got all these products from Amazon. If you guys want me to do like a storefront for all the things you would need for this project, let me know in the comments. I might put it down there anyway. Now we're adding snails, and these came in like 3 different colors. I think I only stuck to 2, and as you can see, I'm putting them on the moss and like where I would think a snail would crawl up to like show different movement. I also put one on the cupids up below. And now I'm just adding these big butterflies. So before I even glue it down, I'm planning out like where I want each one to go. And I was a little worried. I was like, do I really want like big ones? And it's like kind of hard. I'm like, it's just like a lot going on, and I don't like, it's not functional. Like, it's a functional mirror, but it's like, don't expect to like stare at yourself in there. Like, it's like weird because it's like I like this mirror before this project, but I also like it now, if that makes sense. But like, yeah, it's just like a cute decoration. You're not going to be able to do your full base or like outfit picks. Well, you can do outfit picks if it was a larger mirror, but yeah. But I'm just planning it out, sending it out, getting a feel of where I want these butterflies at. You know, the hardest part was like picking which colored butterflies I wanted, like which one wouldn't like be too much. Like, so I stuck with a lot of the brownish, greenish ones, orange kind of ones. And now I'm gluing it in, locking it in place, and then I'm bending the wings up so it looks like, you know, like it's a 3D object, but like it's like a living thing. So some of them have their wings down, some of them have them up. It just adds a little oomph to it. Now I am just adding my fairy lights, and this part was super easy. You basically just wrap it around. So what I did is I pushed a battery pack like in the back of the mirror. I think I might add a like sticky tape to stick it on the back so you don't see it when it's hung up. But I'm just wrapping it around the butterflies and around the mirror and around the boys up top. And it's just like gonna really bring it together once the lights are on. So also, like, I wish I didn't get the pack I got because now I have a lot of fairy lights. But I think what I'm gonna do is do like another project with the fairy lights. So if you guys have any ideas of what I should do next, let me know in the comments and I'll watch out for that, and I might do it because I need to get rid of them. I can't just have them just sitting there collecting dust in my craft closet. So guys, this is the final reveal. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in my bedroom at night, and then when I finally turn on the lights, it looks so cute. And this is just it with like really bright lights on, just so you guys can get the full details. I just love how this project came out, and just like the details. Like, it was so much fun. Like, you can do this by yourself, with a partner, with your kids, if I have some parents out there. And it's just like relaxing. So I just loved how everything came together. Love how the fairy lights it's not too distracting. It really pulls everything together, and it just looks so whimsical and cute. I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like in the daytime. So it's very chill, very calming. It's just so beautiful. And then here it is during the daytime with the lights on. some close-up shot.